Hey guys, you know that 54% of Americans working are living paycheck to paycheck? Man, if you're one of those, I understand it sucks. But there are other things. Now, let's just kind of go back a little bit in history and see how things went. Remember when you're not going to remember, but let's just go with it. When the car was first made, people went nuts over it and it blew up. Then the next thing comes into TV. TV was like, wow. People got on the TV and boom, it blew up. And then following that was a telephone, same thing, it blew up. And then lo and behold, the cell phone came in. Remember those great big old things that they used to hold? Some of them called them car phones. Yeah. Well, the cell phone concept blew up and is making money for everyone out there. And the internet. The internet came in the late 90s and really didn't get going too quick. So it's been around about, let's just say, 20 to 25 years. And it's went from here to here, freaking insane. And just in the last 5 years, it's blown exponentially from that. And it's just, according to research, it's going to just go further and further. So if you're not making money online, you need to at least start looking at some of that stuff before you get left behind. Later, guys. Bye.